Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Miss African Beauty. If I tell you, say I love you. Oh, boom boom. Yes girl, so I'm back with another video per usual. Yes girl, so let's just get started. So today's video is gonna be me unboxing my Sephora stuff. Yes girl, I ordered some stuff from Sephora because I got a gift card for my birthday. So you girl didn't know what to get because I just didn't know what to get. I didn't have anything in mind. I was thinking to get honestly Fenty Beauty lipsticks, but when I tried them on in the Sephora store, they weren't looking like I know it's Rihanna and everything, but I wasn't like so amazed by the Rihanna's lipstick. So I just said, nah, let me check online and see what they got. And then I just seen they had this new, well, you guys will see. Let me not tell you guys before I open the box. So you guys are gonna open the box with me. This is the Sephora box that I just got like 2 days ago. I didn't open it because I wanted to open it with you guys, but I didn't have time to make this video, so I'm doing it now. I'm talking too much. Let me just get open to the box. So I got my handy dandy scissors, and I'm gonna open the box. First time I'm ordering anything from Sephora, so let's see. Maybe they'll give me some coupon like Fashion Nova. Make me come back. Okay, just come with the paper showing what I got. Some brown paper, I guess, so it doesn't roll over the box. Let's see what's in here. Okay, let's start off with the sample. So basically, the website said spend $25 and you get to choose. No, you get three free samples with every order. And if you spend $25, you get to choose like a certain sample. So I spent 50 something, almost $60. So I gotta choose 3 samples and then a free sample with when you buy $25 or more. So I'm gonna show you the 3 free samples first. So first, I got this NARS sample kit. It has 8 different shades in it. So I'll probably do a video of this. These shades look very, very light. But I'll just do some swatches so you guys can see these shades, and I guess the back just has the name of the shades, and I got this for free. So this is one of the samples. NARS. I always wanted to buy NARS foundation. What do you guys think about NARS foundation? Do you think it's good? I think it's kind of expensive, like 60 bucks. Yes girl, I'm in Canada, everything's expensive here. So I wasn't, like, I want a good foundation, but 60 bucks, no girl. The way I wear foundation every day, so that's gonna finish fast. So yeah, so that's what I got first. Second thing that I got was this Versace Dylan Blue. It's like a perfume sample. That's what the inside looks like, and I guess this is what the bottle looks like if you buy it. Smells good from, oops. It smells good from inside. The bottle, this is like, it just gives you a little bottle sample. And yeah, that's what they gave me. So let me put that right back in there so I don't lose it because it's so tiny. I might just put this in my bag because it's so small. I don't want to get lost, you know. Let me smell like Versace once in a while, you know. The third thing I got was this Kat Von D concealer creams. Okay, so it gave me 4 different concealer colors: light warm, light neutral, medium cool, and deep warm. Me looking at these, I think I'm a medium cool or deep, more like deep warm actually. So that's like my concealer color that I will use, and this one's obviously way too light, but I'll probably do a swatches on these for you guys to see. And maybe you guys want to try Kat Von D's Locket concealer creams. So yeah, that was 3 of the samples. So next thing I'm going to show you is you got to choose 1 sample from if you spend $25 from this other section. So what I chose was this Super Fanned Out Mascara from Smashbox. Looks like this, and yeah, I love mascara because you see your girl doesn't wear eyelashes ever. Going out regular day, I don't wear eyelashes, so a good mascara will be good. And my mascara is running out, so this sample is gonna come in handy for a while. Yes girl. So now to get on to what I really ordered, and those are just the samples I got for free, was this Anastasia Soft Glam Beverly Hills makeup palette. Yes girl, I know this is new, like everybody's trying this. It says it's an everyday to night palette with 14 shades, including essential mattes and glam shimmers. You know I love that shimmer girl. So I'm gonna just open it for you guys, and I'm gonna show you guys what the colors are. Oh my gosh, I saw it in the store and it looks so pretty. First I wanted the Primicin palette, the same Anastasia palette, but it was sold out in the store. So when I went online, it wasn't even there. So I just said, let me get the Soft Glam since it's newer. Let me just get that one because I needed a new one. And the NYX one I just reviewed, my daughter actually broke it, so now I don't have no eyeshadow palette, so this came just in time. So basically, let me open it for you guys. It looks like this inside. It comes with this little brush, which is very convenient because you know you need a good brush to apply your eyeshadow. And it has this little plastic thing over the mirror. It has a little mirror in it. It says Anastasia Beverly Hills. And here are the beautiful colors. Oh my gosh, like I'm so excited about the shimmers. Like this color, like these shimmer colors, like I'm so excited for those and I can't wait to try them. Look at those colors, like oh my gosh, I'm so excited, like beautiful. So yeah guys, that's basically what I got from Sephora. And you know I wasn't gonna just show you guys. I'm gonna be testing these out for you guys, so don't worry, stay tuned. I got more videos to come where I'll be trying out this makeup palette and the other samples that I got for you guys to review them for you guys. So stay tuned for my soft glam, all these other samples video coming to you very soon, because you know I'll be bringing you guys those videos back to back. Yes girl. So yeah guys, that's basically everything that I have to show you guys today. That's what I got from Sephora. Yes girl. And stay tuned for my reviews. So yeah, thanks again for watching and bye my loves.
And the tones the big lord.
If I